So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montel Gordon here. Not too long ago I released a video on my channel detailing how I was going about generating 10 seller leads a week for one of my real estate clients out in the UK. And I had somebody ask me a question about, why didn't you run a free valuation ad? Wouldn't have that worked better? So I went back and forth with this guy and kind of told him the reasons why I didn't decide to run a free valuation offer as an ad. So without any further ado guys, I want to break down exactly why I believe you shouldn't run a free valuation offer as your main ad on Facebook. Now guys, before I even jump into this, I just want to say that I don't necessarily think valuation ads are bad or anything like that. I just think there are better methods to doing Facebook ads for real estate agents and generating leads and finding vendors. There's definitely better ways and more creative ways to actually do that, and that's what I want to touch upon in this video. So guys, again, don't get me wrong, I do believe while running a free valuation on Facebook as an ad, it's definitely going to work better than your old school methods of marketing, such as cold calling, cold emailing, relying on referrals, going door to door, leafletting. All those old school methods of marketing are pretty much dead, and just running a very basic free valuation on Facebook ad is going to perform 10 times better than any one of those. Even if you combine those and run all of those at the same time, it's still going to outperform that tenfold, especially with Facebook ads. Facebook ads is really, really powerful, guys. And if you can run a free valuation ad, that's going to again outperform all those old school marketing methods that I just mentioned there. So again guys, I'm not trying to say that free valuations are bad or wrong or anything like that. I just believe there's much better ways that you can actually much more creative ways you can actually generate seller leads and find vendors online. So guys, let me jump into the reasons as to why I genuinely believe valuation ads aren't that great and there are better ways out there to actually generate seller leads. So number one is that there's no differentiation, guys. Like literally think about it. Every estate agent that runs ads on Facebook, they always go and try to run a free valuation ad. I mean, look at each and every estate agent's website. There's a free valuation form on there. So guys, if you go and run a free valuation ad, you literally have zero differentiation. You're not doing anything different from the other guys. You have zero creativity. You're just not doing anything different, guys. And because of that, everybody's going to try and do that because it's like the standard go-to ad to run as an estate agent, and because of that, everybody's doing it. And a consequence of that, guys, is that it's going to increase your cost per click, which means it's gonna cost you more to generate a click because there's no real interest being sparked in the ad. Again, people have seen this ad run multiple times. If they haven't, they've already been on estate agency websites, if you're targeting the right audience, that is, and they've already seen the free valuation form. Not only that, but they can literally just go and turn to one of the property portals and go and get a free valuation done anywhere. They can literally go anywhere online and get a free valuation done on their home to find out what their home's valued at. And again, it's not something that's really right off the bat pleasing. I mean, they can go anywhere online and actually go and find a free valuation. So guys, with that being said, if you have a high cost per click, that's going to lead to a high cost per lead because you're not getting as many clicks as possible. Because you're not getting as many clicks as possible, there's lower chance of you actually generating a lead. Because there's lower chance of you generating a lead, you're going to have to pay more to get more clicks in order to get an actual lead come through, guys. So guys, let me move on to my next point. With free valuation ads, they literally attract what I like to call looky-loos. Looky-loos are people who were never going to be a good lead for you. They were never going to be a customer of yours. They were literally just signing up because they were curious, just trying to see what their house was worth, basically. They were literally just signing up to the free valuation just to see what their house was worth. They never had any intent in the first place. And they probably was just going to put in bogus information anyway. And guys, that's the thing with free valuations and instant online valuations. You can literally still put in a bogus email and you can still get your house valued for free. So you can literally put in the wrong name, the wrong email, the wrong phone number. So you can literally give out all bogus information, just keep the actual address the actual same, and still get a valuation on your home, especially if it's one of those instant online valuations. So that means people can, and they know they can actually input bogus information and still get out the desired result, which is knowing what their home is worth. and that actually encourages them to, well, I wouldn't say encourages them to, but they do still genuinely put in bogus information just so they can see what their house valued at. The quality of the leads aren't going to be that great because they can easily just put in bogus information and still get out of a free valuation on the back end there. So guys, an easy way to counteract this, to stop people putting in bogus information, is to offer something of extreme value to these people in order to get the correct information. And what I'm referring here to, guys, is what you call lead generation magnets. Now, lead magnets for short are basically downloadable PDF guides or more information, basically like kind of like an ebook or something like that, that basically incentivize somebody to put in the correct information in order to go and download their PDF guide. Now, the reason why these lead magnets work so well is because they cause people to input the correct details in order to, you know, actually get the lead magnet itself. They obviously see that the lead magnet is something that they want to learn. So for example, like I used in my last video, 7 tips to increase your home's value. That would be a great lead magnet for an estate agent. So guys, if you tell people they're instantly going to get access to this lead magnet via their email, so you're basically going to tell them that they're going to get sent an email with this lead magnet so they can actually go and download it, which is what happens. They are then going to input their actual real email address and become an actual lead of yours. So that eliminates the, you know, the bogus information, because if they don't put in the right email address, the email is going to bounce and they're not going to receive the actual guide that they wanted to download. Not only that, guys, but the lead generation magnet itself pre-qualifies your leads for you, because think about it, people who are coming to Facebook and downloading this 7 tips to increase my home's value, they are more likely in the position of thinking about selling their home because they want to know how to increase their home value. You can even create lead generation magnets such as how to prep your house the correct way on a budget if you're looking to sell your home, and people can download that. Guys, the only people who is realistically going to be downloading a guide like that is people who are genuinely looking to like prep their house in order to get it ready to sell. And you can follow up with people because you're going to generate their actual email address, their actual phone number, their actual names and stuff like that. So that's a great way to eliminate all bogus information, because I know that's a real problem with the free valuation ad offers. And guys, last but not least, I kind of want to keep this video short today, but with the free instant home valuation, it's just a rough estimate as to what their house is going to be. It's not a real personalized home appraisal or anything like that. Home valuation, it's not like that. It's just a rough estimate, and so it's not really that valuable, because again, it's just a rough estimate that a software has basically estimated for you. And so it's not personalized and it's not really that valuable anymore, to be honest. And people know this, and so what they can do is literally just go elsewhere for the same thing, because it's pretty much the same software. And you can have your free valuation form on your website linked up with software such as Valpal, Zoopla. There's all sorts of other valuation software that allows you to generate you know, valuations for people when they input their details. And so people know this, and they can just go elsewhere and literally just get a valuation from 101 different places. So there's no real differentiation. Like I said in the start, you're not really giving something of actual value to people, and it's just going to create bogus leads because they know they can easily put in bogus information. They also know that you're going to contact them as well, so if they know that, they're probably not going to put in their details, because they, like estate agents, to be honest with you guys, in the UK don't have the greatest reputations. They're known a little bit of like sleazy salesmen, and so they will put in bogus information to avoid being cold called. People don't like being cold, you see. But if you're going to provide a guide and actually give them something of real value, they're going to be more likely and more willing to actually speak with you one-on-one and set appointments with you that way. So guys, in conclusion, valuations aren't really that great. I mean, they're not bad. They're definitely going to work better than your old traditional methods of marketing, such as cold calling, cold emailing, leafletting, going door to door, handing out flyers, all that other BS that doesn't really work and is just super expensive. They're definitely going to work better than that, guys. But guys, what I'm trying to touch upon here and get you to understand is that there's definitely better ways to generate seller leads and find vendors who are willing to sell their home and who are motivated sellers, basically. So guys, with that being said, I highly recommend you actually try out using lead generation magnets. It's what my agency is using right now to generate one of our clients out in the UK. 10 seller leads each and every week consistently, and these are real people, guys. Right now it's costing us around £7 to generate a new lead, but these new leads are you know, they're actual leads. They're not bogus any bogus information. They're real emails, real people with real phone numbers, and meetings are getting set with these people, guys. So I highly recommend you use lead generation magnets and not free valuations, because again, free valuations are played out, everybody's doing it, they're getting boring, not really creative, guys. So guys, with that being said, that's all for today's video. I hope that you found this valuable. I hope that I've helped you spark some ideas in some sort of way. And if you want to see a free full case study on how exactly my agency is generating 5 to 10 seller leads each and every week, I'll leave a link below in the description. You can actually check that out. But guys, again, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.